Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2018 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, mud guards, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Your new ride is just a phone call away.